How to stop replaying past scenarios? I think it's a common problem in our society when people are replaying past scenarios in their heads, and in most cases we're doing it not on purpose. Sometimes we are not even noticing it. Our brain is kind of doing it without asking us. It's just an idea or a scenario from the past that appears into our brain for no other reason. And our brain is trying to trick us into thinking that it will be a good idea to remake that scenario. What will happen if you acted differently? Would it be better that way? We get trapped in these loops for hours, and we are not even noticing that we are starting to daydream. Imagine how our life will be if you acted in that way. These kind of scenarios can take a lot of time from your day, and they can cause a lot of stress on your mind and your body. The important thing is to stop these thoughts from the beginning and just live in the present. But in reality, it's easier in words and harder in practice. And there are a lot of pieces of advice out there on how to deal with these things. That you need to stop living in your past and the future and live in the present. That if something happens, you just need to learn from it and move on. Or you need to handle situations in life as they come. There is a lot of advice, but it's not simple enough for your brain. The simple thing is how to deal with the scenarios from your past is by forgetting them. This idea sounds very simple, but it works. For example, when you are trying to remember some small things in your life and you are trying to figure out if that happened, but you can't remember it because your brain didn't consider it to be an important thing and didn't memorize it. In this kind of way, you need to approach this problem. When your brain is starting to bring up a scenario from the past and starting replaying it, just tell your mind that you have forgotten that it happened. You don't remember it. And just stop all the thoughts about it. Just focus on what is happening right now, on what you are doing in the moment.